Hi, my friends. What's up? uh, my grandma and grandpa got me a crimping iron. I tried it out already, and I feel like it looks so good. Like I look so better than straight hair. So much better. And it also came with these things. I don't really know what these things are, but I think it's like to section your hair. Um, it also came with this like glove and this like section hair thing. You do that or something. But yeah, this is what I look like with crimped hair, and if you guys don't like it, then who cares? Because I like it. So yeah, bye.